I'm just frustrated today, and I'm going to send out a frustrated message. Maybe it has some value, okay? The point is, nobody wants to work down here, and this is the only place we have to work. Okay, so earlier this year, I get called to walk across campus, down into another building, up into a lab where there's like at least $200,000 worth of equipment on an advanced, semi-automated exoskeleton device. It wasn't with Dr. Zai. He's actually pretty great. But okay, so I was called in to give help with a soldering of a connection or measuring the issue with it. Inside the machine, the sensor won't talk, and the sensor is connected by one of these flat ribbon cables, and it has a terminal that has been secured down with some super glue. The gentleman is a PhD candidate, and he's spent 2 days fiddling with this issue. He doesn't have the proper tools to inspect or peel things apart, and he doesn't have the proper knowledge to tell the difference between the super glue on the connector and the actual assembly components, which it's very fine, small things, fragile things, okay. I measure it, I fix it, and then I show him this knife and I say, I'm gonna send you a hyperlink so you can buy one of these, have this in your lab, and please don't neglect to make that order. You stack up the cost of that meeting, it was a $500 meeting. There were emails between myself, this advisor who's been leading a department for more than 12 years, and you have this other PhD candidate who flew across the country to come here from his master's degree to begin his PhD. I see this over and over and over and over. All of our absolute best technology results get held up and hindered by not having these fundamental awareness of fundamental tools and methods and just standards. All of these world-class, brand new, innovative creations, they live up here on the top of here. And the thing that will make these more successful is to put more energy down here. And people don't seem to get that. I should have never been called into that room. And so that is the pathway that leads me to, okay, say a year ago, I make this video about tape because I've already seen a few $100,000 worth of mistakes and losses due to the failure to understand tape in an assembly of a prototype of a test rig or something like that. I guess that's why there's something special about my audience, because there's these small number of people, it's you guys, that seem to understand that the fundamentals are everything. So please don't forget this message and tell your friends, and always support. When you see experts who can do world-class stuff teaching the fundamentals, there's a reason for that and they care.